In this video I'm gonna show you how to do a standing double crochet. So normally in crochet you can start anywhere on a project. Essentially you go in, you loop it through. You always see me in my tutorials always create a slip knot first. That's because I'm a little paranoid and I like my yarn to be really secured in. So you just pull through a loop, and even if I did it the other way you still are going to chain 3 and that counts as your first half double crochet, and then you continue to move down. So what is the difference between these double crochets and that chain 3? It's the visual difference. It never looks the same. So on your project, especially when doing a hat or anything like that and you've changed your colors, the first stitch just like so does not ever look the same. So how you can get away with doing that and making it look the same is doing a standing double crochet. So let's review on how to do that. So to do that you're going to create a slip knot first. Then what you're going to do is that you are going to wrap the hook once. So you're going to use this finger and push down on it. So wrap it once and then push down. Okay, so there's 2 loops on the hook. You go into the stitch that you want to go into and then yarning over, pulling it through. And there is 3 loops. So you're just gonna use your thumb and positioning and just to hold it in position, and then yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarning over, pulling it through 2, and that bumped this up to the top of the stitch. So therefore you can double crochet in the remaining of the stitches, and the very top of that or beginning looks like the regular stitch work. So when you're going to work on this every stitch looks identical, so the chain 3 is kinda no longer existing. So it's a great way of hiding your work as far as the starting. So let's just review that really quickly one more time. So you're gonna create a slip knot, insert it in, and then wrap it once and then just pinch so it doesn't unwrap itself. Going into the stitch, pull through, just pinch it, pull through 2 and 2, and then there is your first standing double crochet, and then you can just continue to double crochet as normal. So when you come back around, if it's ever around, you just go into the top of that stitch and it looks like it belongs there. So that is the standing double crochet stitch.